eToro investing made social. Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can download and install eToro investing made social app in your device. So you can download and install in two ways. So first way is you can go Google Play Store or App Store, or you can go to any Google browser and search eToro investing made social. Then you'll get this app from the other third party application app. Okay, so we'll see the some feature like what's the benefit, what is the main feature, like join the world's most popular social investing network, invest with zero commission. So open your account today and enjoy zero. So buy crypto with confidence and diversify your portfolio with stocks and ETFs. Be part of a collaborate community. Learn the ropes risk-free. Get an edge with powerful investing. Make investing easier with eToro technology. Regulated and secured. So you can see that there is some feature in this app, so you can easily install this app. So simply click install and it takes few moments to install in a device. So it's really simple. So okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching the video.